What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we will be looking at exercise 33 of our Python exercise tutorial series. Without any further ado, let's get to it. Okay, there we have it. Exercise 33. Develop a Python program that displays a temperature conversion table for degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. The table should include rows for all temperatures between 0 and 100 degrees Celsius that are multiples of 10 degrees Celsius. Include appropriate headings on your columns. The formula for converting between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit can be found on the internet. Okay, guys, so looking at this problem, we see that it's super interesting and it's quite similar in terms of, I would say, logic, very quite similar to the previous exercise, which is exercise 32. Okay guys, so we see in this problem that we are working with two units of temperature. So degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit, those are our two units or our metrics. And what we are required to do is convert from degrees to Fahrenheit and sort of have a nice visual printout of the conversion and the mapping. So we're converting from degrees 0 to 100 degrees to the corresponding Fahrenheit degrees. So what we can do for this is use a simple for loop. Reason being, the question tells us that they'd like us to have temperatures between 0 and 100. So the first thing is that we know how many times we are looping. So a for loop would be fine. And also multiples of 10. This tells us that the number 100 is included. Okay. 100 will be included as well as 0 0 to 100 because they said multiples of 10. So let's proceed. So make that 101 because you know the range function is inclusive of the first value and exclusive of the second. So that will run from 0 to 100. Also, it's not compulsory for you to pass the 0. By default, the range function defaults to 0. So that's fine. I'll pass it in just for, viewing purposes and understanding purposes. Next, we'll do a simple print. Also, I should mention, I've looked online and to calculate the appropriate Fahrenheit degrees, the formula is basically such where you are going to add 32 after multiplying 1.8 by the Celsius. So The way in which we convert from degrees to Fahrenheit is basically take the degrees value, multiply by 1.8 or 9 over 5, and then add 32 to it. That's good. Next, we may actually proceed, to give some formatting for this problem to have a nice printout. Okay, so what we can do is I'm thinking maybe we'll use placeholders. We'll do a Celsius, yes, and let's do a percentage.2f, that's fine. Then we'll have some space maybe. Yeah, that's good. And then Fahrenheit 2f, yeah, that should be good. Nothing too difficult as you can see. And then for the first one, we'll pass I, which is the degrees. So it'll take the place of 0 to 100. And then in the second placeholder, we're going to pass Fahrenheit. That should be all actually for this problem. Super simple one and very interesting at the same time. So what we can do is let's run the script. No input or anything in this script. It's a simple case of us just running our program. So coding it and then running it. So this should be fine. And you'll notice that, today my computer is taking a bit long to do its stuff, most likely because of these pending updates, which it has just completed downloading before I started recording this video. So with that being said, excellent, we have a neat printout of a kind of table that shows us conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit. That's good. And yes, that's all for this problem, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for, sticking around till the end of the video. Good luck with your work, and I'll see you in the next YouTube video.